जनी सर्वसुखी असा कोण आहे.
जनी सर्वसुखी असा कोण आहे.
विचारे मना तुझी शोधून पाहे.
विचारे मना तुझी शोधून पाहे.
मनात्वांची रे पूर्व संचित केले.
मनात्वांची रे पूर्व संचित केले.
तया सारखे भोगणे प्राप्त झाले.
दया सारखे भोगणे प्राप्त झाले.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
जनी सर्वसुखी असा कोण आहे.
जनी सर्वसुखी असा कोण आहे.
विचारे मना तुझी शोधून पाहे.
विचारे मना तुझी शोधून पाहे.
मनात्वांची रे पूर्व संचित केले.
मनात्वांची रे पूर्व संचित केले.
तया सारखे भोगणे प्राप्त झाले.
दया सारखे भोगणे प्राप्त झाले.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, इस श्लोक में संत रामदास स्वामी ने मन को संबोधित करते हुए कहा है कि संसार में ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो हर समय सुखी हो. यदि कोई ऐसा खोजने की कोशिश भी करता है तो उसे समझ में आएगा कि हर व्यक्ति को कभी ना कभी दुख सहन करना पड़ेगा. धन्यवाद.
Good morning to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Sanskruti Rajendra Suryavanshi from Standard 5, standing before you to lead today's morning assembly. Idiom makes our language more beautiful and attractive. So, I will request Swara Kaundade from Standard 6. Good morning everyone, myself Swara Sagar Kaundade from grade 6. I am here to tell today's idiom word. Today's idiom word is part and parcel. It means that an essential or integral part of something. Sentence. Every member of this family is the part and parcel. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Thank you, Swara. We should not stop learning a new word, that is vocabulary. So I would like to call O.V. Bhoje from Standard 4 to tell today's vocabulary of the day.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, O.V. Amit Bhoje, standing before you to tell today's vocabulary of the day. Today's vocabulary of the day is pioneer. I repeat my word, pioneer. It means, I spell my word, P-I-O-N-E-E-R, pioneer. It means a person first to explore new areas of knowledge or activity. Sentence. Savitribai Phule is regarded as a pioneer of social reforms in 19th century. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
There is birth anniversary of Savitribai Phule. So our friend Gauravi Kolapure is going to deliver a speech.
A very fresh morning to one and all. I myself, Gauravi, studying in grade 7th, is standing before you all to express my emotions about one of the greatest female personality of our Indian history. Today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of Savitribai Phule, also known as the mother of modern education of India. She was born on this day, that is 3rd of January in 1831, a time when girls were denied to get education. Neither the society nor their parents were supporting girls to get education. But Savitribai, along with her husband Jyotiba Phule, changed this stereotype. Savitribai Phule not only became the first female teacher of India but also established the first school of girls. She preached that education is the key of empowerment. This is a key learning for every one of us. On this auspicious day, let us thank her for aiding in the development of society and resolve to work together for a better tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. Now it's time to wrap up our assembly. So I declare that today's assembly is over. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.